Mommy and daddy.
What is it? What is it? It's a scooter.
Oh
A
my
new scooter.
goodness. So guys, we're out tonight. For the first time in a long while, we're out. We're going to the Christmas concert at church, and
Look at some Christmas lights.
hey, babe said she wanna go and look at some Christmas lights, so stay tuned for it. Yeah. Brightness all around, you know. Also, finally reaching the house of God. But there is no better place to be the night before Christmas Eve. So, yep.
So tender and mild, sweet holy night, Son of God, love's pure light, Israel, night divine.
This. Whoa, isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, this is nice. This one is nice.
Wow.
This is beautiful.
So beautiful, right, Raj? Huh? Beautiful, hey?
These guys went all out. Oh wow, this is nice, babe. This is nice, hey Raj? This one is beautiful. Look at that, Papa. This is beautiful too, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Yeah, Merry Christmas, my son.
It's your turn.
Cheese!
Come, Mom.
The queen is out.
Come, Mom.
Mom's coming, don't worry, I'm coming. Okay, we're gonna take someone this lighting and some over here. Okay, come here, Raj.
So this is just gonna...
Over there, team. I can tell better with you because your head's right on the thing. So I hope everyone's having a Merry Christmas or had a Merry Christmas whenever this vlog gets out. Cheers. Cheers, baby. Merry Christmas.
Cheers.
I love you.
Well guys, before I even start on this video, I'm just going to give the man above a big thank you for a successful year. You understand, we talked about this last year, this time, and we live to see it manifested. So before we even, our thing now is to like open the gifts, open our gifts that we get each other and stuff. But before me even start, I just want to say thank you, Almighty God, for my beautiful family. Thank you for what you've been doing and what you're about to do. I know you're not finished with us yet, and you keep working and working in mysterious ways, and for that, you know, I have to honor you and glorify your name. So yeah, guys, we're about to open the gifts and to see what we get each other. So yeah, let's go. You want to go first, babe?
Yeah, I just want to say Christmas is, you know, all about Jesus. Everyone makes it about gifts and everything, but I'm so grateful for Jesus that he is in our lives. And I know that Christmas is based on, you know, his birth. And yeah, but we also get each other gifts because it's, you know, we love each other and we just, why not, right? But we do put God first, and I thank him for all of our blessings. Thank you, Lord.
So you know, baby's a female, so I think you should go first, lovey.
Okay.
What your hobby get you?
Okay. I wish I had something to put the wrapper. I'll just throw it behind there. Ooh, a new watch. I needed a new watch because mine is so tarnished. Yes, I've had this for a few years now and it's really gray looking. Oh, I love it.
Show them what you get. So guys, you get a nice, beautiful watch.
Oh
yeah,
my
that's
gosh.
nice. That's beautiful, honey. Yeah.
And as you guys know, I told him which one to get because you vlogged it, but thank you, babe. You did vlog that I told you.
I did my big one, honey.
Pardon?
I did my big one.
Yes, it's beautiful. I love it.
Okay.
Look at it.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I like it too. I love it. If I didn't love it, I'd get you another one. Guys, so that's a nice guess what I get for her. I show you guys that one, I think.
Yeah, I think so
before,
too.
so
It's beautiful.
yeah.
Okay.
So it's my time. Guys, I'm going to open the smallest gift I get. Let's see what's inside of it.
They say the smallest ones cost the most.
Really? Let's see if that's really true.
Look at the difference between this one and this. This one almost looks black compared to this one.
I don't know what's in it yet, guys, so let's see.
We're drinking grape juice, by the way.
Ooh! Guys, I got my cross. Finally! Finally, I got my cross for my chain.
Yes.
Thank you, honey.
You're
Yeah.
welcome.
Yeah, this is good. My cross for my chain. I love it. I've been waiting. But they said patience is a virtue, right?
Yeah.
So I get it now and I give God thanks. Yeah, thank you, baby. Yeah, so that's one gift down each person. Go again, baby.
Okay. So you need to open up the one on the bottom of that next one. No, the one on the bottom of it. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, after you open. What's the
Yeah,
rush?
yeah. I'm just saying. Oh, a silver bracelet.
Who did that? Who get you that, lovey?
Thank you, babe. I love it.
Is it a silver? It's a gold bracelet.
Gold, yeah,
gold
yeah.
bracelet. Guys, I get her a gold bracelet.
Well, I only wear
Yeah.
gold anyway, so this is not real gold, but this is real gold, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
really gold.
Yeah, this is not real gold. Thank you, babe.
Yeah.
Mm.
Thank you for
Thank
being a
you.
blessing, lovey. Alright, guys, so this
love
is
it.
my second gift. Let's go. Let's see what it is. What it is. It said watch. Apple Watch. I might assume I did ask for this. Let's see if it is. If it is. 2. Oh, one is
Because
the.
you gotta slide the strap into
Let's
the.
see what's this.
With the Apple Watch, you
Yeah.
can what do you call it? Change the
The straps.
straps.
Oh, so
yeah.
this is the charger. So guys, this is an Apple Watch. Aww. I requested and I get it. Yeah, so this is an Apple Watch.
And that's the strap.
This is the charger, I would say. Maybe it's a charger.
I
Yeah,
think.
these are an
The
Apple
cord, yeah.
the cord. And this is the strap. So yeah,
You figure out how to.
I'll figure it out later, but this is the strap for the watch. So yeah, I think my Christmas indeed is merry. Alright, so go again, babe. Let's see what you got.
Okay, I'll open this one. Oh, I love these. I asked you for this too.
Oh. What sneakers is it?
Guess
Oh.
sneakers, and never guess what?
Oh.
White and gold.
White and gold, your
Oh,
favorite, hey?
thank
You go, girl. Alright, let's see what's this. It's heavy. Let's see what it is. Guys, you know I have to smell good. You know I have to smell perfect.
I noticed he has
Oh.
he has a lot of colognes, but that one was getting low.
Ooh, this is the extra large one. This is the Gentleman Da Vinci, guys.
Yeah.
You guys, this
good.
this a leather bell. This beat people from left to right. Yeah. Ooh. So one more gift down.
That one was getting low in your piles. Next special thing, I'll have to get your Savage, because I think that one's getting low too. Is it? Your Savage? Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Alright, I'm going to open this one.
Okay. Let's see that. This is the 4th gift, guys. I think I'll go with this one.
Oh. Okay. Bras. And...
Is it I'm a good man or not? You guys.
And look at all the underwear. Oh my gosh.
All
Oh.
cotton. All cotton.
Yes, Le'Veon Rose. Oh my goodness. Wow, Le'Veon Rose.
Good man indeed, hey?
Wow, they're so nice. Every color. Ooh.
You go, girl. You gonna move it for your husband?
Thank you, babe.
Alright, let's go. Let's see what's this. So guys, anybody know me knows I always request my Marinas. I think I do 99 of my videos in Marinas. Even when it's cold, I want my Marinas on. So yeah, this is indeed something I appreciate. And yeah, I love them. Thank you, babe.
You're
Oh. Alright, so the 5th one, let's see. Let's go.
Okay, sheets and pillowcase. And what is this? A duvet cover or something? King size, something for the bed, eh?
The king size sheets.
Oh, this is
Okay.
sheets too.
Yeah, both of them is sheets.
Oh, why did I? Okay, nice.
So
Nice,
guys,
babe.
my wife doesn't like nothing but black and white. But I get white and
Green.
green. So I hope she enjoyed this one. I hope she like it. It's just something different I was thinking of, and yeah, let's go.
What's it made out
So
of? I'm 100% cotton girl. Let's see. I can't even see what it was. Glasses? I have no idea what
So
this
this is the last one. And let's see what is it. Guys, if you guys know me again, you know I like my caps. And trust me, babe, this probably be the best gift out of everything, my caps.
Out of your Apple
Yeah.
Watch and your cross,
I
your
said
caps.
these probably be the best gifts. I love
Oh.
my caps so much, man. Oh my god, and wow, these are milky, baby. I love these. Yes, yes, yes. Oh. Yeah, man. You guys know I love my caps, man. Trust me. So, yeah, these are my best gifts out of everything. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. They get
Smelling
the
good, looking good.
the Toronto Maple Leaf, and this one is the LA. You know, Los Angeles. We turn up. So, yeah, guys. I mean, my wife did her big one. I appreciate her. I love her. And yeah, I hope whatever I get you, babe, they're truly appreciated.
Yes, of course I am, baby. Yes, thank you so
So,
much. Give me a kiss. I love you. Love you.
Love you, love you. Love you. Alright, guys, so Rajero is opening a gift from
This is
him to me. Let's see what he got going on.
This is from you to Daddy, okay? So you're gonna give this to Daddy. Okay? And then next year
Let's see what they have planned.
What? Why is it not working?
It's for Daddy. Let's see. Go give it to Daddy.
Huh?
You wanna open it up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't open it up.
Hold on. Let me see.
No.
Oh, because Mommy got it taped. There we go. Say, Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas, Daddy. Look at house here.
They're for Daddy. Go give it to him. They're from you.
What's
Say,
it?
Merry Christmas.
So what you saying they didn't get the big pants for me? Guys, I asked for these big ass pants and she said she didn't get them for me. You're
It's a
lame. Man.
surprise.
Thank you though, honey. I
It's a surprise,
I
Daddy.
appreciate them.
I didn't get them. Raj did.
Yeah.
Wink, wink.
Raj have gifts from his grandma.
He already opened
And
one
his
for
mom.
grandma.
Okay.
Here, here, look. This one and this one are yours. Both of those. Open them up. They're from your mommy in Jamaica.
Say thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom. It's for you.
No, it's for your mommy in from your mommy in Jamaica to you.
Open
It's
it.
for Rajero.
It's Christmas.
It's a
Yeah.
present for you from mommy in Jamaica.
He's so extra, man. It's crazy. Okay, let's see what Mommy get you then.
Oh.
Ooh. What's that, Raj? What's that your mom get?
Mommy, it's
Show the camera. What is that? A super archery kit.
you, Mom.
Look at that.
Wow. Show the other side.
You gotta wait on the summer to go and use this, hey?
Wow.
Oh, it should can use in the house.
Okay, you know which one you're gonna love? That big one. Open the big one. That's from mommy in Jamaica too. Or train track, but he opened it already. Oh. Okay.
Let's see what this one is.
That's from mommy in Jamaica too. What is it, I wonder?
Oh, my God.
Okay, here, let's turn it over this way. Okay, now you can open it this way. Look. Look inside. See what it is. Oh,
Oh, my goodness, Red.
Oh my goodness!
no.
Raj, don't show them, Papa.
It's what is in here.
Now the fun's begin, hey? Okay. Okay.
Say, your mommy in Jamaica got you
Say
that.
thank you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom.
Appreciate you, Mom.
Thank you, Mom.
No patience.
What's so bright in here?
That's from Mommy and Daddy.
What is it?
My
What
goodness.
is it?
Scooter.
It's a scooter.
Oh
A new
my
scooter.
goodness.
Let's see. Because your other one was the wrong color. This is a new.
Oh, no, Raj.
And we got Spider-Man stickers to put on it. Whoa.
Oh, no, my
To
goodness.
match your Spider-Man helmet. And get the top.
Huh?
Get your top over there.
How spoiled is this boy?
Here, let me see. Mommy, help you. Come.
Yeah, Mom. Scooter on me.
Yeah. Hopefully you can ride your scooter soon. It's cold out now though.
Wait, no, that's not yours. That's Sissy's. But there's another one from Mommy and Daddy, I think, right here. Look, that's from Mommy and Daddy right there.
Yeah, let's open that one. Let's see what it is, Raj.
Don't
Open
slam
it.
Oh my goodness, it's breakable. That's from Mommy and Daddy too, okay? Oh my little plastics in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, this goes in there like what?
Well, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside.
Let's see what's inside. Go for it. Be careful. It's breakable.
So hard to get him on.
We'll figure it out, babe. Don't. Ooh,
here we go.
what is it? What is it, Raj?
Huh?
What is it?
It's in here, this guy.
Okay, let's see what is it.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
You got your very own iPad. For the what, third time?
For the fourth.
Fourth time? Can we not break this one?
Yeah.
Do you
We got to
think you
take the
can-
best care of this one, okay?
Do you think maybe this one you won't throw and you'll just have it for a long time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Good.
turn it around and let they see it. Let they see it, Raj.
Okay.
Yeah, turn it around. Show it
Turn
to the
it around
camera.
and show.
Show it to the camera,
Here, like
Pops.
this. Oh, wait, you want to get it up. He'll get, okay, hold on. Hold on. Here, you want to take it up and show the people?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not blue. Oh,
Oh my goodness,
It's
Rajero,
cool.
look at that.
Yeah, that's all for you.
Yeah, it's iPad in here.
Yeah. So you have your own iPad now, hey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was blue. Look, I didn't know it was purple and pink. I think they sent the wrong color, guys.
Look at that.
So this is pretty much what his grandmother got him, but it's a little different. Because the same track that his grandmother got him,
Yeah.
Open it.
and you can attach.
Let's see what it is, babe.
You know, it's
Oh,
just
it's a track.
the same thing he already got from his grandmother,
Sarah.
but he already broke the car to his grandmother's one. So see these things here? They. Oh
It's a
no,
track.
it's different. Never mind, it's different. Shoot. Oh well, I thought it was the same. But anyway. Okay guys, so this is what my daughter got me. It's so beautiful. And a bag, overnight bag. I had the Jamaican one, but the zipper broke, so she got me that one. And she also got me a Ninja blender. And this is what Evan, Jessica's boyfriend, got us. I just love it because ours is not in good shape.
So guys, we've come to the end of another video. And I just want to say like, share, comment, and subscribe, and share the video them, guys. And I ask you guys to press the like button. Yes, send the video into the algorithm so it go viral, and so people will get to watch the channel, and this will become one of your favorite channel on YouTube. So yeah, what you gotta say, baby?
We're on the road to 5K. We're like just like this much more to get there. So, and like we haven't even had this channel a year. So I'm just so thankful and so grateful for you guys for subscribing and for liking us and for commenting and sharing the videos out and stuff like that. So I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. I thank you for your support and your comments and your love.
For all our subscribers, have a very Merry Christmas.
Yes.
And a successful New Year's to come.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Manifest it, pray about it, and just watch God work in all of your life, Like the blessing don't stop, so we never, ever, ever gonna stop. Peace out, guys. Love y'all.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you, I send you, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?